So how to create voiceover for your video. So this is my edit on TikTok. So I go to sound. You see there, see voiceover. I click on voiceover. So first of all, before you start, you clear your voice, you be ready, you drink water. Then just look at what I'm going to do. So this is a product. I already have an idea of how I want to promote this. I can say, oh, I can't believe this wig is £11 right now. I pause it. Because when I reach that £11 right now, I don't want to breathe inside. So next, I take it back a bit, not to the end. You can see, and I play it again. It comes in two colors, in black and also in this brown. I stop. I take it back again, a little bit inside. So let's play what we've done so far. Oh, first of all, you have to mute this one. You mute your video, whatever sound that is in your video. Oh, I can't believe this wig is £11 right now. It comes in two colors, in black and also in this brown. You can see there's no pause there. Because so if it was like this, let me show you. If we start from the end, let me play it again. Oh, I can't believe this wig is £11 right now. It comes in two colors. You see, there was a pause there. Now it comes in two colors. So even if you do your video like this, you still have to press this one down, bring it under a bit. So there won't be any pause. Somebody will be wondering, is she breathing at all? So let's play it again. I can't believe this wig is £11 right now. It comes in two colors, in black and... So as you can see, there is a flow there. So the next voiceover you're going to do, same place, you start, always put it at few seconds before the end. So let's say I play it now. Okay, this is so good. Remember, I didn't start talking from the beginning. So let's play this and see. In this brown. Okay, this is so good. So for something like this, you just press it down, okay? And take it to where you started talking. Take it in. So it's still starting at this, almost at the edge. So let's play it again. Black and also in this brown. Okay, this is so good. You can see it now. So you can either crop out that part. You can do splits and cut it off. You tap it, you do splits and delete it. Or you just take it in. So you see, super easy. So once you're done, then you just go next and that's all. Just make sure that your voices are overlapping so that there is no pause in your voice. Just feels as if you're not breathing, you're just talking at a go or somebody else is speaking with you. So that is what we call overlapping, voiceover overlapping. So it's interesting for someone to hear you. And once you know that there is a pause, let's say from this beginning, you didn't start from the beginning, it didn't start from the end. You just take it in, tap it, split it, delete this part. Let's say you were not ready or something, delete that part, then take this one to the beginning. Then readjust everything again. So you just have to do it once, then you come back and edit it. You can see. I can't believe this wig is £11 right now. It comes in two colors, in black. So even this one too, we adjust it inside. So make sure that your voiceover overlapping. That is how interesting. That is what makes it interesting.